Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you've been here, thanks for coming back. Today, I would like to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Ring the bell so that way you can get notifications or when I go live or when I do giveaways or when Beauty and the Beats comes out, which is every Friday at 7. Today, we are going to do a look from the palette that came with Boxycharm. Not my Boxycharm, but my good friend Candy Sass said, Rhonda, you can have this one. And it's the All of You Forever. I love you forever and ever and ever. Like a teenager's yearbook. Like a folded note between classes. Oh, they don't do that. Do they do that anymore? Maybe the preteens do before they're allowed to get cell phones. Or maybe that's just grade school. I don't know. But I miss the notes of yore. The notes from the days of yore. That'd be your past and my past. Anyway, I feel like I don't need to do the swatches because it is a very straightforward palette. I'm very excited. I love greens. I'm wearing a little gray camo today, so these greens will pop. I'm going to start out in the crease with Wink right here. And it is a dusty mauve color. And it shows up great on the brush. Just putting that in my crease. And it is a nice transition color. You may hear crazy kittens in the background. If you are new to my channel, I've got 4 cats. And right now they are having fun in the house while my old sweet husband Rome is tidying up and rearranging things. And that is just such a great neutral color. I am loving it. Me and McDonald's, we're loving it. There's just a tiny bit of kick up in the pan, but nothing terrible. I am now going to take a brush and I'm going to go in with this lighter color of olive. It says All of You. It's kind of a green gray. It's got a nice shimmer to it. It's kind of setting the stage for the greens. Looks nice. It's very gray green for sure. And I love some shimmer. I'm not afraid of shiny things. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. It's so hard to get my eyes even eyeshadow wise. It is a little tricky. There are some tricks to be had. I'm going to take a little brush and put this color Lovebird on the lid. It lightens up and gives it a little more of a satin than a shimmer. That's super cute. Now I'm going to go into a darker green, which is All of Me. I'm going to take it on this kind of fluffy brush. It shows up great. And this is a shimmer going on top of a shimmer, so you may have issues. A little bit of fallout happening. And this is making my eyes super green. Absolutely splendidly green. I'm going to take a fluffy angled brush and go into Major Spotlight and go under my brow bone. I'm not loving this palette so far. It's making a cute look, but it's kind of hard to work with. I'm going to get a blending brush and just soften this all out. I think I need a little of the Olive Me. This palette is just okay. It is not fantastic. A little disappointed. No wonder it was so easy for Candy to give this up. I'm going to put like a transition color. Oh, there's so many shimmers in here that... Let me try this color, Juicy. It's another shimmer. Let's make it pop a little bit more. Give it a little goldy, bronzy. I just can't get over. All right, this is about as good as it's gonna get. This is really disappointing. I do have a little fallout, but nothing really to write home about. I'm going to use some black eyeliner from Star Gems, and this is the Asteria eyeliner. And that is, the Star Gem eyeliner is super nice and black, and it has a great firm tip, which makes it easy to work with, which I really enjoy and appreciate. Now I'm going to do some mascara with Marc Jacobs. This mascara is dynamite. I'm going to try to put a little more eyeshadow. I'm going to try this bronzy color right here. That seems nice. It looks better. This palette is just not fantastic. I'm going to do a nudie look with it, and I'm going to be using Gemini from Jeffree Star. Yeah, I just love this lip color. It's my top two colors from Jeffree Star. The other is Calabasas. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. Thanks for checking this palette out with me. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.